Alright guys, yo, what is going on guys? It is your boy Caleb Moto here, back with another video. Thank you all for checking out the channel again. I hope you guys enjoyed the last one, but just wanted to let you guys know I do have another banger for you guys today. So what we got today is we got a little bit of a group ride that I'm actually running late for. I'm supposed to meet them at 3 o'clock out in Hendersonville, and it's currently like 2:15, 2:20, and I'm still in Asheville because I've got to go and get something else that I need for being able to edit and send videos and do all that. So I just waved at a moped. I feel about retarded again, but I am headed to Best Buy now, and I will pick up the camera whenever I get what I need to get and start heading back out. And yeah, come on out, buddy. Yeah, you're good. But alright guys, I will see you guys here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, perfect. I've got what I needed. Now I'm going to go meet up with a guy that actually comes out with us quite often. He's got a Gixxer 600. I'm going to meet him, and then we will be riding out together to this cruise. So it should be a good one. It's always a good one when I go out with these guys. Speed limit only, of course. No faster, no slower. We keep it 100% legal. Yeah, who am I kidding? So I will. I'm going to go and meet up with him now, and as soon as I meet up with him, I will pick up the vlog and let y'all know what is going on. And but yeah, we will see you soon. Alright guys, what is going on? I am just letting you know we have finally, thank you, we have finally met up with everybody else. So we've got I can't remember what the Supermoto is. Then we have a Gixxer 600 and a Gixxer 750. The 750, well, both of them is beautiful, but that 750 just has a different sound. It's got the full, I can't remember how he said it, the TOCE exhaust, TOCE, T-O-C-E, and it sounds absolutely phenomenal. So like I said, it's going to be a good video today. I actually walked out of the house without my riding jacket, which I always wear. Gear first. Always wear your gear. Be responsible when you ride. Well, as I say that. But welcome back to the channel, guys. So like I said, we're just going to go hit some back roads out here. We met at the out in Hendersonville. We're going to hit some back roads, and then we're going to go to a pretty popular spot out in Saluda. It's called the Saluda Grade. That's just real curvy. It's one of the roads that I've gotten comfortable on. It's a really good road for beginners, intermediate, experienced, whatever. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy. Like I said, we'll get some pretty cool clips of us on the back roads. So yeah. I gotta get these tires changed. sand got me going a little bit. That kind of got me. Oh, I'm hitting it every time. I mean, all of y'all that ride know, but if you hit sand or dirt or something, especially in a corner like that, it'll make your butthole pucker. I can promise you that. Get it? That's one thing I wish I could do, but you got to do it to know how to do it. But I don't want to do it because I don't know how to do it. If that makes if that makes any sense. Alright guys, well, that'll wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happens way too much. Well, that's not the first time and that won't be the last time. And unfortunately, that wasn't the first time today. So, but thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, drop a comment, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if y'all really, okay, maybe just like really like me, go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss an upload. But until next time, it has been your boy, Caleb Moto, and I am out. Peace.